This video will provide a full walkthrough of the application process. Individual videos are provided on each section, as well as written instructions to help guide you through each portion of your application and review. Upon logging in, you will be on your home page, and you'll see reminders, announcements, unread messages, or surveys to take, as well as your accreditation applications. If you are an applicant working on your application, you can go to the Application Sections tab to review your progress and see how many sections have been completed on the application and see how far along you are. Broken down by percentage. In this test application, it's 50% complete, and you can see the deadline for this application in red. To the left of this list are going to be the items that need to be completed to submit this application. The color next to each item indicates how complete that section is. Green being complete, yellow is going to be in progress, and red if the section has yet to be started. You can select on the text directly, or you can select these orange buttons in the center to go to the next section that needs to be completed. Going into registration, there's a questionnaire. Let's click on questionnaire, and that will take us into the questionnaire, which has already been completed, but this will show the eligibility and registration requirements, your organization's information, such as address and primary contact information, related corporations, and you're going to need to agree to the terms. Next, you can select Go to Next section to enter payment information. You can also go back to the registration overview with that list of registration questionnaire and registration payment, or that full list that has the registration, pre-application list, etc. Let's go ahead and click Continue to Next section. That will take us to where we're going to be required to put in our input our credit card information or check information to pay the registration fees, or you can opt to contact the commission directly to discuss those fees. Scrolling down, we can return to the first time overview, which is going to take us back to this list. From there, we'll move on to the pre-application overview. These are broken down into questionnaires, again, attachments, related entities for general, governance, finance, and stewardship sections. Again, it's a required questionnaire that needs to be filled out, uploading the appropriate attachments and adding any related entities. The line, again, next to it will turn green when that section is complete. You can go ahead and click here to work on the application to go to the next section. Next is the application overview. This also requires filling out questionnaire and adding attachments for general, governance, finance, transaction, and stewardship sections. Written instructions and tutorials are available on these sections at the bottom here by selecting these buttons. Let's go back to the overview. Last would be our submittal certification. This is where you will verify all your information is correct and submit your application. All parts of your application must be complete to submit your application. If at any point you have any questions, you can ask the commission about this by using this Ask a Question About the Application button found in the bottom right corner. Again, we're not going to be able to submit this certification until we have completed all of the application sections. This has been an overview of how to complete all sections of your application.